If your bank account looks like a ghost town, you're in for a treat. Join us as we dive into the secret playbook of the wealthy and discover proven strategies and actionable steps to transform your financial future in just 1 month. Let's see if we can turn dreams into dollars and achieve wealth and success together. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. What's up, everybody? It's Alfonso Brooks Bay with Money Smart Basics, and today we're diving deep into the world of wealth. We're not just talking about making a quick buck, we're talking about building lasting financial freedom, the kind that lets you live life on your own terms. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes, we're going for long-term, sustainable wealth. So, buckle up, because we're about to expose the secrets the wealthy use to build their empires. This is the stuff they don't teach you in school, the real playbook for financial success. We're talking about strategies that can change your life, strategies that can take you from where you are now to where you want to be. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and build a life of abundance, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Now, you might be thinking, Alfonso, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, these strategies are tried and tested. They're the foundation of how the wealthy build and maintain their wealth. We're talking about mindset shifts, smart investments, multiple income streams, and so much more. This isn't about luck, it's about strategy. It's about understanding the game and playing it smart. It's about taking control of your financial future and building a life you love. So, get ready to take notes, because we're about to unpack a ton of valuable information. The first and arguably most important strategy is mindset. The wealthy don't just think differently about money, they think differently about everything. They see opportunities where others see obstacles. They embrace challenges and view them as stepping stones to success. This isn't about some magical positive thinking trick, it's about cultivating a growth mindset, a belief in your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome. It's about seeing the world as a place of abundance, not scarcity. This shift in perspective is crucial because it opens you up to possibilities you might otherwise miss. Now, changing your mindset isn't easy. It takes conscious effort and consistent practice. You have to actively challenge your limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Start by identifying the negative thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back. Are you constantly telling yourself you're not good enough, not smart enough, or not lucky enough? These negative thoughts are like weeds in a garden, choking the growth of your potential. You have to pull them out by the roots and replace them with positive affirmations and empowering beliefs. This is the foundation of a wealth-building mindset. Another key difference between the wealthy and the average person is their perspective on time. The wealthy are incredibly patient. They're willing to delay gratification for a bigger payoff in the future. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They're building long-term, sustainable wealth. This long-term vision allows them to make smart investments. How many times have you bought something you didn't need just because it was on sale, or skipped saving for retirement to enjoy your money now? These short-term decisions can impact your long-term financial health. The wealthy prioritize long-term gains over short-term gratification. They're willing to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. This doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money now. It just means you need to be mindful of your spending and prioritize your long-term financial goals. Create a budget, track your expenses, and identify areas where you can cut back. Automate your savings so you're consistently putting money away for the future. These small changes can make a huge difference over time. Remember, the power of compound interest is on your side. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow. So don't wait, start today. Now, let's talk about investments. The wealthy understand that money sitting in a savings account is losing value due to inflation. They put their money to work by investing in assets that appreciate over time. We're talking about stocks, real estate, businesses, and other income-generating assets. They don't just park their money, they put it to work, generating more money. This is the key to building wealth, making your money work for you. Now, investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it. but it doesn't have to be. Start by educating yourself. Read books, watch videos, and talk to financial advisors. Learn about different investment strategies, and find one that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't be afraid to start small. Even small investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth. It's about making smart decisions and staying disciplined. It's about understanding the risks and rewards and making informed choices. Don't let fear hold you back. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your investments grow. Diversification is crucial when it comes to investing. If you invest all your money in one stock and it plummets, you lose everything. Spread your investments across different stocks, bonds, and other assets. Diversification is your safety net. It protects your portfolio from market fluctuations. Invest in different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. Balance risk and reward. Create a strong and stable financial foundation. Let's talk about multiple streams of income. This is huge. The rich don't just rely on one paycheck, they've got money coming in from all directions. If you've got income from real estate, a side hustle, investments, and maybe even some royalties, losing one source isn't the end of the world. It's about building a safety net, people. It's about resilience. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Even a small side hustle can make a big difference. It's not magic, it's just smart financial planning. It's about creating a system where your money works for you even while you sleep. One of the best ways to create multiple income streams is to monetize your existing skills. What are you good at? What do people come to you for help with? Can you turn that into a side hustle? Maybe you're a great writer. You could offer freelance writing services. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design. You could create logos or websites for small businesses. The possibilities are endless. Think outside the box. What unique skills or talents do you possess that others might be willing to pay for? Think about it. You're already spending time and energy developing these skills. Why not get paid for it? It's not about being greedy. It's about being smart. It's about taking control of your financial future and building a life where you're not constantly stressed about money. It's about taking your passion and turning it into profit. And who knows, maybe that side hustle will eventually become your main hustle. That's the beauty of multiple income streams. They open up doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. Don't underestimate the power of a side hustle. Even a small side hustle can make a big difference in your financial life. It can help you pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or simply give you some extra breathing room in your budget. Let's talk about knowledge. The wealthy understand that knowledge is power, especially in finances. They're constantly learning, growing, seeking new information. They watch videos like this one. Investing in yourself is the best investment. Knowledge builds your financial foundation. It's the key to opportunity. Every book, seminar, and video is a deposit in your knowledge bank. Knowledge compounds over time like interest. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Knowledge is your best defense against scams. Even 30 minutes a day can make a big difference. Watch a video during your lunch break. Every bit helps. Financial literacy is essential for building wealth. It's not enough to just know how to earn money. You need to know how to manage it, invest it, and protect it. This means understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Empower yourself with the knowledge you need to succeed. Take the initiative and educate yourself. Read books, watch videos, attend seminars. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to manage your finances. It's never too late to start learning. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Start learning today and watch your financial future transform. Let's talk about saving. It might not be the most exciting topic, but it's absolutely crucial for building wealth. The wealthy understand the power of saving. They know that it's not just about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. It's about developing good saving habits and making saving a priority. It's about delayed gratification and understanding the long-term benefits of putting money aside. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I can barely make ends meet. How am I supposed to save? I get it. I was there. But trust me, it's possible. Even small amounts can add up over time. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can make a big difference. Bring your own lunch to work. Brew your own coffee. Cancel that subscription you never use. Every penny counts. One of the best ways to save is to automate it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Saving isn't just about putting your money in a piggy bank. It's about being strategic. It's about finding the best ways to grow your money while minimizing risk. This means exploring different savings vehicles, like high-yield savings accounts, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, or CDs. It's about understanding the different interest rates and fees associated with each option. Don't just settle for the default option. Do your research and find the best fit for your needs. Consider tax-advantaged retirement accounts like 401(k)s and Roth IRAs. These accounts offer tax benefits that can significantly boost your savings over time. Contribute as much as you can, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. That's free money, people. Don't leave it on the table. Take advantage of every opportunity to grow your wealth. Another smart saving strategy is to create sinking funds. These are dedicated savings accounts for specific goals, like a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation. By setting aside money specifically for these goals, you'll avoid dipping into your emergency fund or racking up debt. This is a great way to stay organized and motivated. It's like giving each dollar a job. And remember, saving is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be times when it's harder to save than others. I know some of you are cringing right now. You're picturing awkward small talk and forced smiles. But trust me, networking isn't about being fake or pushy. It's about building genuine relationships. Think about it. Who you know can open doors you never even knew existed. It's like having a secret weapon in your wealth-building arsenal. You might meet a mentor, a future business partner, or even your next big client. It's all about making connections and fostering those relationships over time. Networking is like compound interest for your career and finances. The more you invest in building relationships, the greater the returns. Don't just collect business cards and then forget about them. Follow up, stay in touch, and offer value to the people in your network. Remember, it's a two-way street. Networking is about mutual benefit, not just what you can get out of it. Think of it as building a community of support and opportunity around you. Now, you don't have to be a social butterfly to be good at networking. Start small, attend industry events, join online communities, or even just strike up conversations with people you meet in your daily life. You never know where a simple conversation might lead. Once you've built a network, the next step is leveraging it effectively. This doesn't mean using people or being manipulative. It means being proactive and strategic about how you interact with your connections. Stay top of mind by regularly engaging with your network. Share relevant articles, offer helpful advice, or simply check in to see how they're doing. Building genuine relationships is key to long-term success. Think about your network as a valuable asset. Just like any other investment, you need to nurture it and manage it wisely. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice when you need it. That's what your network is for. But also be willing to give back. Offer your support and expertise to others. The more you give, the more you'll receive. One of the most powerful ways to leverage your network is through referrals. When you need a new service or product, ask your network for recommendations. And when you know someone who could benefit from a connection in your network, make the introduction. Referrals are a valuable form of currency in the business world. They build trust and strengthen relationships. Remember, networking isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. The more you invest in your network, the more it will grow and flourish. Let's talk about risk. It's a word that often gets a bad rap. People associate it with danger, loss, and uncertainty. But the truth is, risk is an inherent part of life, especially when it comes to building wealth. You can't avoid it entirely, but you can learn to manage it effectively, and that's what separates the truly wealthy from everyone else. They don't shy away from risk, they embrace it strategically. Think of risk as a spectrum. On one end, you have low-risk investments like high-yield savings accounts or CDs. These offer stability and predictable returns, but they also have limited growth potential. On the other end, you have high-risk investments like individual stocks or real estate ventures. These have the potential for much higher returns, but they also come with a greater chance of loss. The key is to find the right balance of risk and reward that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now, managing risk isn't about eliminating it altogether. That's impossible. It's about understanding the potential downsides and taking steps to mitigate them. This could involve diversifying your investments, having an emergency fund, or getting the right insurance coverage. So, how do you actually mitigate risk? Well, one of the most effective strategies is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like precious metals or cryptocurrencies. This way, if one investment performs poorly, the others can help offset the losses. Diversification is like having a financial safety net. Another important aspect of risk management is having adequate insurance coverage. This includes health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, and even life insurance. Insurance can protect you from catastrophic events that could wipe out your savings. It's like having a financial airbag in case of a crash. It might seem like an added expense, but it can save you a fortune in the long run. Think about your emergency fund as your first line of defense against financial hardship. Ideally, you should have enough saved to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will help you weather unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs without having to dip into your investments or rack up high-interest debt. Remember, risk management is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time thing. As your financial situation changes, so should your risk management strategy. And there you have it, 7 wealth strategies the rich live by, now exposed and ready for you to apply. These strategies aren't just for millionaires and billionaires, they're for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Whether you're just starting out or already on your way, these principles can help. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and discipline. There will be ups and downs, but stay focused on your long-term goals, and you can achieve financial freedom. If you found value, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let's build wealth together. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. Why do 80% of people feel hard work alone will make them rich? The truth is, hard work isn't enough. Smart investments and financial education are key. Learn how to make your money work for you. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics for our next video, please leave a comment. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.